severe weather threat that's brewing, this time over parts of the southern plains and eventually working its way towards the southeast. It all starts on Thursday, but we'll likely be tracking strong and severe weather through this weekend. It's strong southerly winds ahead of a cold front and a dry line that's going to be pumping in a lot of this Gulf moisture, and that's laying the groundwork for severe storms. But it's been a very active April thus far. We had a big-time severe weather outbreak prompting tornado warnings as far south as Oklahoma to as far north as northern Wisconsin. That all took place on Friday. Those were some tornadoes that the Fox Weather Beast team and other Fox exclusive storm trackers were able to capture over the last week. Here's the setup for Thursday and Friday. It's a developing area of low pressure that's going to be moving through portions of the southwest, and then eventually it will attach a cold front and a dry line. Dry line usually is a sign of some pop-up thunderstorms, but we're really going to be looking closer to the center of low pressure and that cold front as a bigger trigger point for more dynamics in the atmosphere to produce some tornadoes. That is a real chance. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a level 2 out of 5 threat for severe weather, and they highlighted that a few days ago.
Yeah. It's been pinged for a while.
Yeah, so confidence is high that this is going to happen, but stay tuned. There's likely going to be some changes to those polygons. Not quite sure if we'll get an upgrade to a 3 out of 5. We'll see how things trend so far, but this is a classic tornado alley this time of year, so really no surprise that this is the zone we're monitoring.
Yeah, and as we get closer, we'll have more clarity. When this was first identified by the Storm Prediction Center, it's literally what's showing up on computer models. But once you have the actual low, move on to the lower 48, hop over the Rockies, you have actual positions to calculate into the computer models, which thus gives you a more accurate image of what's going to be happening. So that's kind of the process that we're looking at as we go over the next couple days. So expect more clarity as we really get into, I would say, tomorrow evening and Wednesday morning. We're looking at temperatures that will generally be in the upper 70s to low 80s ahead of the storm system, which is not dramatically high, but it's warm enough. That is definitely enough heat to create convective thunderstorms. So we'll continue to watch it Thursday and Friday. Some upper-level winds will be favorable for supporting the activity as well. But again, the most explosive activity expected to be right around that area of low pressure.
Yeah, we're looking at the available storm energy or CAPE for Thursday, not quite as robust compared to Friday, but at this point, it does seem like Thursday may be the stronger day for severe storms. We'll obviously keep unpacking those details, but we're now focusing back into Texarkana, the Ozarks, and even into western Tennessee. I think that's going to be another sneaky spot as well for severe weather. And this is going to extend, this area of low pressure will continue to move south and southeast. So for the weekend, we'll be looking at spots potentially like Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama. So right now, this is what we've got, but this is likely going to be extended over the next few days.